I gotta stay on my mission, yo. Back on the money, okay. Say I been gone, but I'm home. I really been through the storm. Say young niggas hot like stone. Say I gotta fit it for money. Scar for life.
Jump quenched. Jump quenched. Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am serving you guys nothing but summer vibes. Black and pink. More like, I don't know how to explain this. This is like sexy. Almost like, I don't know. It's a really cute summer pink smoky eye. I'm living for it. It's beautiful. I paired it with this glittery nude. So anyways, let's get back to this. I'm living for this look. It is so pretty. Let me give y'all a little close up. Baby girl, do you see that blend? Blending is so good. So girl, you're already here. Please stop what you're doing. Look down below. Hit that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe, girl. Welcome to the team. We are trying to hit 1K by my birthday, July 21st. Just keep watching and learn how to do it. Bye, cuties.
Hello, do you have eyeballs? Are you looking to make your eyeballs more hairy? Well, you look no further. At Aria's Madison Luxury Lashes, we have the best lashes on deck. All you need is to use my coupon code Talia's Cuties and you'll be straight. Get you some beautiful lashes and get you some wonderful glitter. Okay, back to your regular program.
What's poppin', cuties? So I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Black Magic, and I'm taking that on the e.l.f. C brush, and I'm going to be taking that and packing that on the center of my lid and just taking it a little upward and making it kind of like a smoky eye. Alright, so now I'm taking my Rude Cosmetics palette and I'm going to be taking this light pink shade right here, and I'm going to be taking that and blending the black out, making sure it's not too harsh. And then I'm also going to be taking that same pink shade that's underneath it, and I'm just going to be taking that to add more vibrance to it. Alright, I love a beautiful white liner, so I took my Wet n Wild liner and put that on my waterline. It's beautiful. I'm also going to take my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette and take the strawberry shade, and I'm just going to take down my inner corner and also on my brow line. Rude Cosmetics sponsor me. I'm taking the pink shade and I'm just going to be blending that on the bottom. This is just an up close look. I'm also going to be taking my concealer just to clean up any imperfections, just to make everything look all nice and saturated. I'm taking my $1 Million brush and I'm just going to blend that out. I got this in my Ipsy bag. It works really, really good. I love it. I'm also going to be taking my Airspun powder and just making sure everything is set so we don't be slipping and sliding, girl. Time for lashes. Voila! How do you like them? You love them? Ooh, la la. So it's time for my lips, and I'm going to be taking this beautiful Victoria's Secret lip gloss and just putting that on and making my lips poppin'. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Prism palette and I'm just taking that to highlight the side of my cheeks and on my nose. This palette is really good for people that are starting out. It's good for highlighting and also making your eyeshadow pop. So I'm just modeling for you guys before you go. I hope that you guys have a blessed day and enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, cuties.